Okay, this is my mostly done Coke oven from Walthers. Where that white strip on the paper is about where the main line would be. And that is my demo of what I'm working on to be the Coke pusher. And I had to get off that while I was at Shapeways buying one of these little cars they have. These boxes will be probably where the bottle cars will come back here to get relined or some kind of kit like that or something. Anyway, some kind of workshop area. When Walthers came out with this kit in 1998, this is a representation of what it would be, even though it's not possible to build it like that. But you'll notice a 24 3/4 of an inch measurement is there. And it continues on this measurement. And again, it's not possible to do it like that. But inside of their instructions is what they call the typical arrangement, which is possible to do, which is what I've done. Because even the one on the picture of the box, you look real close, those little round holes are what the Coke pusher means. It's Coke pusher is on that side, and they have it dumping the Coke out on that side, so that's not possible either. So anyway, I got this Coke loco from Phillips Foundry, and you can get more of the links on my web page. I bought this at Shapeways. It's a Coke car. They have a left side and a right side, and I bought the wrong one first and realized what I did and bought the right one. It's sort of confusing. You need to think about it and look at it when you do it and figure out this is where it needs to be dragging the cars on that side and pulling them on down the road. So the step out needs to be on that side of the car. I'm still working on this, in that the distance between here and here is really strict, and these wheels, the wheels and things stick out and ran into the railings on this car, so I ended up having to, well, that one just fell off, but bend them over so it's sticking out to the side so it could fit in between here. So this is still all sort of working. I have on order 80 code rail on concrete ties that I'll be using in here, and when I get that, I'll be able to make sure that what the measurements are and where everything fits, and I'll be being able to do this, because also these cars rolling down here, to me that's a big area. On scale it's probably about a foot or so, so you're not going to have a foot of them trying to shove the Coke out from here and having it, because this is going to have to be up there. You're not going to have the Coke sitting here and magically jumping over a foot of space. So that's what these are for. I'm probably going to end up gluing these to the inside so they slide up underneath here. But again, I can't really do anything until I get the code rail, so I know what it's going to actually be, the sizes are going to be, and where everything's going to work out. So anyway, this is the Walthers kit. You'll notice I made two kits into one here, and another reason I'm doing it now is you can see that it's on a piece of acrylic glued to foam, because I had to put a bunch of cut pieces together here, and if you look closely, there's a slice here and a slice here. Oh, and the Walthers kit stops here and stops here, but when you're actually having some kind of thing sticking out, that'll be sticking out over the air, and to get on the other side, this would be up in the air. So I had to extend these out, which of extending those out means I had to mess with the stairs, put the stairs over a foot. They're all made to be lined up on the back of this with all little ledges and stuff, so I didn't have any ledges. Oh man, that was not fun. I got the little houses, got the little smokestack. Haven't glued it on yet because I'm still working on that, but here it is. This is here. Then the rotary dumper, because the rotary dumper, you want to see the coal dump out, so the rotary dumper is going to be on this side. So what's going to happen is, because of the way I already built it, the coal train is going to have to come in on this side and go on out down the road, whereas the quench car is going to have to be about right here, which means it goes underneath the high line. So the high line is going to be out there, which means all the high line cars are be coming in. So anyway, there's going to be two ways of traffic in the middle. Double main line on that side, double main line on that side, and hooty dooties running around here in the middle. This is all going to have to be worked out. But anyway, this is my Coke oven. It worked out okay, except that when you do put it together, I had a big problem because when this length, trying to glue stuff down, it ended up going and shooting down into the ozone. So I ended up taking it back apart and putting a stick of wood underneath there to level it up, but it's still a little bit down. But anyway, just be careful. That normal length would probably support it fine, but if you want to go double or triple or quadruple, you're going to have to start putting supports underneath here, so when you press this down and have it all pressed down, you'll get something supported all the way across. Okay, now this is a question for all you wizards on the internet. Where in the world do these pipes go? I've seen somewhere else where when I get to the actual blast furnace, the pipes on it just go straight back out to the blower house, which I'm going to fake and make another thing. But anyway, all the pipes there, I can just run into the blower house and pretend that that's where they're supposed to go. But this and this need to go somewhere. So if anybody really knows what they do, other than anything, I don't know. I mean, I can have it running down here, but go to where? Going down there to a pot? Stop. Hop-de-dop. So anyway, this is running with a Northwest Rail Line, NWS, anyway, NWSL. On the guys, this is off Shapeways, Coke, right-hand side. He explains what size truck to get from Northwest Short Line or something like that. But anyway, I haven't quite finished it up. I still got the lid off. I got wires down in here to hook up a DCC controller and stick them all back in there. But when I do that, it's all going to be messed up in there. But anyway, I can only do it once and connect it up. But anyway, I know the truck runs, but nothing's electrified or done here. So that, pretending that this was made to actually have coal train running across here, but I'm obviously not doing that because I got a real rotary dumper to dump the coal. Dotty, dotty, dotty. Here we go. So, yep. That's the other shape. I couldn't pass that up at Shapeways. Saw that. Oh yeah, yeah. And this is Coke Phillips Foundry. Yep. So that's about it. But again, if you know where them pipes are supposed to go, please put them down in the comments, because I'm lost out in the world here. Ooh-dee-doo. Here we go. I think that's about it. All my griping and typing. Okay. This is it. Walthers Coke oven. Here we go.